The image of a digital Estonia and digital information systems play an important role during the Estonian presidency of the Council of the European Union, and we want to show Europe e-Estonia in 3 ways: digital policies, digital events, and digital solutions. It's customary for every presidency to leave a legacy for the Secretariat of the Council of the EU after their presidency term. Estonia wants to leave behind a digital legacy. For this reason, we have developed the Presidency Gateway, an IT solution aimed at making the work of officials involved with the presidency easier. It holds all the information related to the organisation of events in Estonia during the presidency and also serves as a document repository. The Presidency Gateway is the main English-language information system of the Estonian presidency. It aims to reduce the volume of emails and printouts and make it safer to exchange information. At the same time, it ensures that delegates have an archive for important documentation. The Presidency Gateway has been built to be used by the ministries responsible for organising the presidency events and for the delegates who attend them.